We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with Tesla stock, and in today's volatility, the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. If we go ahead and pull it up here on the Discord, it sent out a notification early on in the morning today at 8:25 a.m. a bull indicator, and we could see that here. It hasn't been canceled all day. It's lasted all day. And since that 8:25 a.m. mark, full strength there, inflows cross to the upside, and continuing that strength into the bell and after the bell. Trying to attempt to touch here in the live action 440. And we've seen full strength here and call options going up nearly 200% plus within hours and even minutes there at the open. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of these charts, check out the link down below in the description to our Discord, getting connected over to our bots and the indicators of 42 Vision. We look forward to having you join us and joining the community of members using it to receive the clarity and edge over the charts, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with Tesla doing a full transition on 42 Vision from yesterday to today on the 30-minute, even on the 1 hour, going from red to bright green bars and breaking through the resistance here from Wednesday where things slowed down and breaking out strongly above it, which was 430. And then the next level was 435. And then up here near 440, it continues to try to approach it. And that is a level that is still touchable because the market still hasn't closed. It's a possibility. If not, it continues to reject up here near 439.70 area. And if it can't break through it, it may have a slight pullback. Doesn't mean that it's over there, but there's a lot of concentration of resistance at these levels, especially based off the history of the chart. You could see it here, 439, 438, and even up here, the 440 area, way back on December 27th. Where things continue downwards. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 Vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with Tesla stock. Tesla going ahead and having a bull indicator in today's pre-market. Yesterday, it had a bear indicator that lasted all day, continued the transition into dip areas, and quickly flattened out. Now, this was a critical area of support based off the history of the chart. Coming back to Wednesday, where things slowed down and did the next leg up, which was 412 as a key support level, and then slightly below that at 411 and even the 410 area based off the chop on Tuesday. And it went all the way down to some of those supports there, even hitting 409. Now quickly things flattened out and started to accelerate into the close, hitting a high here of 415 from 409, but came right back down and it was looking pretty weak, right? Now this bear indicator on the 30-minute was looking strong, but when you zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, a bear indicator popped up in the middle of the day, and then the 4 hour did not have a bear indicator. This is where it justified the move from today, and this move to the downside didn't have real strength over the bigger picture of the chart because it has been in an upward move. Even though it's pulled back and everything, no bear indicator has popped up through that volatility. So this bull indicator at 402 continued to dominate over the chart. And then you come out to the 1 day and there is a bear indicator that has not been canceled. So this is where things start to get very interesting. You have a 4 hour justifying these moves to the upside, but you have a 1 day chart with a bear indicator since 443. Now, it is trying to approach the 440 level, and if it cannot break through that with strength and appear a bull indicator to cancel this bear indicator, anything below 443 is able to reject as a huge resistance and bring itself right back down, especially if this bear indicator does not get canceled and continues to dominate over the chart like it did right here. It ran up from 375 up to 425, then it came right back down to that support, and now we have a slight double bottom effect forming here, and this run has been strong for the last several days, but for this to continue, a bull indicator needs to pop up and inflows need to follow. So I will be watching that, and in the 4 hour, this could quickly lose steam and get a bear indicator that cancels out this bull indicator, justified with the 1 day, and then the lower time frames like the 1 hour getting canceled as well. So that's all it takes. The 1 day needs to get canceled to justify these moves back up and the continuation of this trend. If not, that bear indicator in the bigger picture will continue to have weight, which popped up way back up here over this chart, and actually make things go back to a bearish and test of supports. So the 1 day needs a bull indicator. It's continuing that trend. We love what we're seeing here in the bigger picture. A lot of people are asking, is this going to continue? Well, this bear indicator needs to get canceled. The last bull indicator lasted for several weeks and months. Pretty strong here, but now this bear indicator is dominating and we're still below it. So I will be watching these levels very closely. Now, what's the first key level I'll be watching here going into next week? Well, the first support is the 432 level, and then below that is 430. Okay, those are the key levels up here on Tesla within the volatility. If you zoom into the 15-minute full strength, if you zoom into the 5-minute full strength as well, could this strength continue into next week? That's the question mark here. There could be a slight pullback, and if larger time frames start to pull down with it and outflows start to cross, and you also have the 1 day continuing to dominate with that bear indicator, well, that is something to not ignore. So those supports will be crucial. To the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical here to break through 440, hold these bull indicators, get that bull indicator to pop up on the 1 day, and then above 440 comes the 442 to 444 level, and 445 where that bear indicator popped up. So those are the resistance levels to the upside I'll be watching, and the supports to the downside, and the bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial here, as well as inflow versus outflows and the transitions and 42 vision. And you can now gain access to it as well. Gain the clarity and edge that you deserve. Check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us, getting connected over to our bots, our indicators, and joining the community. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.